Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to create a Bitfinex account. First, navigate to the official Bitfinex website. Look for and click the Sign Up or Open Account button, usually found in the top right corner. You'll then need to provide your email address, create a unique username, and set a strong, secure password. Remember to review and accept the terms of service and privacy policy before proceeding. After signing up, you must verify your email address by clicking a link or entering a code. Next, complete the Know Your Customer, or KIC, verification process. This involves providing personal details and uploading documents such as a government-issued photo ID and proof of address. This step is crucial for full account functionality and compliance. Finally, enable two-factor authentication to add an extra layer of security to your account. Once your account is set up and verified, you can fund it. Go to the Deposit section of your Bitfinex account. You can choose to deposit cryptocurrency from an external wallet or use fiat currency via a bank transfer or credit card. Select your desired currency and the appropriate wallet, such as the exchange wallet. Then, follow the on-screen instructions to generate a deposit address and complete the transfer. With funds in your account, you are ready to begin trading. Ensure your account meets the minimum verification level, typically Basic Plus, to access trading features. Explore the wide range of trading pairs Bitfinex offers. Familiarize yourself with order types, such as limit orders, which execute at a specified price, and market orders, which execute immediately at the best available price. Then, you can confidently place your first trade.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.